Hey, Will here from PPC Coach. So this one, I'm going to talk about something I'm really just getting into now, NFTs. So you might have heard of these non-fungible tokens, and you're like, what the heck is that? Well, basically, it's an image file that you buy or you own the rights to, and then you can sell it, and then other people can resell it, and you get like a resale percentage when they resell it, something like that. Basically, it's like ownership of an image, as far as I know. That's as much as I can dumb it down from what I've looked at. So I'm thinking, okay, so NFTs are pretty much going to be the future. I want to be ahead of this curve, so I don't want to lag behind and come up like 3 years later and go, oh crap, maybe I already am too far behind. I don't know, but so I started looking at this, and then I found this mint on demand, which is pretty freaking cool. So it's a trademark, and it's NFTs for creators. So creators are like those influencer type guys, and basically what they're saying is if you can sell merch, you can sell NFTs, which is very cool. So um, Mint on Demand is basically a way to launch an NFT. So they did a little guide here. This is Teespring, which for all of us old school guys, this is kind of where we started selling T-shirts. And now Teespring's getting into, well, I keep calling them Teespring. Spring is into NFTs. So what they are in a nutshell, it's a non-fungible token. It's unit of data on a digital ledger called the blockchain. It's a digital asset that can be owned, sold, and traded, and that's just scratching the surface. In simpler terms, it means it's completely unique and non-replaceable. It can be tokenized, so you can transfer ownership, i.e. sell it to your fans. Fans can resell it on marketplaces like OpenSea, and if you don't know what OpenSea is, go look at it. It's very cool. It's a marketplace for NFTs. After that, you'll get a 7% royalty on the resale price every single time it's sold. If your NFT increases in value, your profits will reflect that. So basically, if you think about it, like from a creator's point of view, say a big time YouTuber or Instagram influencer or TikTok or whatever it may be, they have followings, and these followings love to buy stuff that have like their images on them. And think of like Logan Paul or whatever that guy's name is, and his brand Maverick. Is it Logan Paul or Jake Paul? I don't know, but he has that brand Maverick, and he's got his symbols on it. Well, he probably already has created NFTs and launched them, and people can sell them. So how it works with this, it means basically print on demand is pretty much the same thing because you create an image, and then they just put it onto products like a hoodie, a coffee mug. Teespring doesn't do necklaces or message cards. Oh, I'm not sure why they never got into that, but it's the same thing with an NFT. It's an image, right? So it says, so how does it actually work? Well, it makes it easy. Creators can launch and sell crypto-free NFTs with no upfront costs like monthly and minting fees. We'll only mint the NFT once it's sold. So this mint fees, I'm not fully clear on that. I'm working on that. I'm sure the guy in the comments, talk to me like I'm in fifth grade and tell me what minting means. I know there's gas fees and minting fees. I think it's just the fees that people charge to put them on the blockchain. I'm not 100%. Anyway, NFTs live in your normal Spring store just like a t-shirt or digital product. Fans can purchase with regular payment methods and then pay out your profits in regular currencies too. And then you get 70% and they keep 30%. Now this split, I'm not sure if that's good or bad or ugly. I haven't really found any other places that do mint on demand yet, so I'm not sure. Spring coordinates with Bondly to provide fans with the purchased NFT and wallets for you both to track ownership. So Bondly is a company, I'm guessing, that actually does all the stuff behind the scenes. Bondly price. What happened to Bondly? Oh. Anyway, that's a whole other rabbit hole. So the creator launches, fan purchases, it's minted, fan gets the NFT. There you go. Once the fan buys your NFT from the Spring store, a crypto wallet will be created from the buyer via our partners Bondly. And they make sure your fan receives your NFT once it's minted on the blockchain, Polygon blockchain. Before being dropped into their new crypto wallets, fan can always transfer the NFT to another wallet afterwards. They'll be notified when this happens, and you can track ownership of the NFT as it's resold. For further guidance on this, please visit our creator FAQs, okay? Key benefits. Okay, well, this is what we need. Their aim is to empower creators to enter this new exciting version of the internet, Web3, easily and enable you to monetize in a brand new way. Other benefits of Mint on Demand, totally free, no crypto or gas fees means no risk. environmentally conscious. So I guess this is the part I'm not fully clear on. Uh, gas fees and how is this damaging the environment? Is it the power they're using on a computer to make this? That seems very odd. Anyway, working on it. Like I said, I'm a bit of I'm just getting into this stuff. So, selling made simple. Spring handle the admin and logistics. NFTs live in your store like any other product. We'll take care of customer service for your fans. Seamlessly showcase and promote your NFTs across social platforms using the Spring X Linktree integration. Oh, you can. Okay. Selling NFTs means you tap into a brand new revenue stream alongside your current monetization, all without worrying about things like physical supply chain or customization limits. Okay. The ins and outs. All right. The actual benefits of selling NFTs as a whole. There's a real financial opportunity for you here, especially if you make your NFT exclusive, i.e. launching a one-of-one limited edition for $1,000. Think about it. The value of your NFT is affirmed if only a small number of fans own your digital collectible. Increasing demand, the price should reflect your NFT's exclusivity. Cool. New revenue stream. I like that. Stay relevant. I like that. Keep up with trends. Royalties, aside from initial sales, you'll receive royalties whenever the NFT is resold by a fan on other marketplaces. Flywheel effect, fans who own your NFTs are invested in the success of your future as a creator, encouraging them to shout about your content. The bigger you get as a creator, the more chance your NFT increasing value. Support, just like merch, buying NFTs financially supports you as a creator. Ownership, aka digital flex. Fans collect the digital assets, can prove ownership publicly, and flex their collection on social. We are already starting to see major platforms adopt NFT verification. Collectability, as your channel grows, your NFTs will become more desired and become iconic collectibles within your... Okay, the way I think of NFTs is like, I'm going to go real old school. Elvis... I'm sorry, but this immediately came to mind. Like Elvis memorabilia and collectibles. So here's something like an empty... This is a good example. An empty prescription pill bottle belonging to Elvis, sold a few years ago for nearly $4,000. Likewise, an original art album for one of Elvis's records sold for nearly $5,000. The jar of Elvis's authentic hair, yuck, sold at auction for a whopping $16,000. I don't know why, but when I think of NFTs, I think of this kind of stuff, like memorabilia. So I'm trying to wrap my head around how me, a guy who like nobody gives two shits about. I'm not a big time creator or influencer or anything like that. How am I going to profit from this? So that's kind of my question. Like, I like the idea, I like the sound, I like everything. But if I launch an NFT, say for my brand like PPC Coach, who's going to buy it? Nobody gives a shit. So I'm like, I just don't get it. So this part for me, no. Like if I were Elvis, hell yeah. But I'm not Elvis. So collectability, yeah, I get that. So NFTs can be anything, an image, audio, video, a PDF, but at Spring we see digital collectibles being the ultimate use case for creators and communities. So the Mint on Demand beta is currently only accepting images file. Okay, so that's what they're doing. All Spring creators will get access to NFTs within the next few weeks. We'll notify you via email. Oh, here it is. Are NFTs harmful to the environment? Short answer, sometimes. This is why we choose to partner with Bondly, who teamed up with Polygon, a blockchain chain that uses 0.002% of the energy that other blockchains use. You should communicate this with your fans. Okay. Since most NFTs use the same blockchain technology as some energy siphoning cryptocurrencies, they also end up using a lot of electricity. Oh, okay, there's why. So I guess these use a lot of electricity, so they're not environmentally friendly. Okay, that's cool. Bondly works with the Polygon chain, allowing eco-friendly NFT minting, and are setting up a fund to offset their carbon footprint. One NFT with Polygon uses 3x3, shouldn't that be 3x, less energy than streaming a video online for an hour. Okay, I really don't care about that, but I'm sure some people do. Are they right for you? So here's the thing. If you have a community, the answer is yes. If you don't have a community, that's where I don't get it. How, like I have a community, but they're not going to buy my stuff. I'm not big enough. So, and I've been online since 2007. So I've got a brand. But I seriously doubt anybody's going to buy an NFT from me, because why would they? Now, if I were like a YouTuber, say Mr. Beast, right? The guy on YouTube who's got like 100 million views every day. Sure, that guy can launch an NFT and it would kick butt. But for me and like probably you who's listening to this video, I don't see how these fit in. Like unless we are the collector, if we're buying the NFT and investing in it, hoping that we buy an NFT of an influencer and then it goes up in value. I guess that's how we would do it, but I don't see how. I'm just missing it. So maybe if somebody can explain in the comments how me launching an NFT makes sense, because at this point I'm a little fuzzy on how this can work for me, because I have a community, but I don't think they buy it. So for spring collectors, digital collectibles resonate with your fans. Remember, your NFT is essentially a limited edition collectible. Okay, that part I get. So yeah, if I'm like if you're a big timer, here's a few examples: digital artwork. Sell artwork files. This could mean selling your most popular merch design, digital drawing, an image of a painting. For creatives, think of that only if one exists. Okay, so if I were a painter, yeah, like an artist, sure. Historical piece of your content. For example, you could use your first ever tweet. Jack Dorsey sold his for 2.6 million. Or take a shot of your fans' favorite moment from your Twitch live stream or YouTube content. Okay. Digital trading cards. Right. You have a community behind you. They don't just purchase something from you because it looks cool. They buy your products to support you. Your work means something to them. All right. Strategies for engaging fans. And so give your fans exclusive access. Give NFT owners access to private Discord server. Offer them one-on-one call or group video chat with other NFT owners. Ugh. Don't like that. Exclusive merch. Okay. Rare content. Okay. And real life meetups. Ready, get started creating. So what will it look like? This doesn't need to be complex. Your digital asset could simply be a cool piece of artwork. What will resonate with your fans? What type of thing will you want to collect? Here's a few suggestions. Repurpose existing merch. All right. So launch it alongside your next merch shop. All right. I think what they're doing, it really is for big timers who have a following, and those buyers. Like if you have a big YouTube channel and you've got followers like millions, and they want to buy stuff that has your images or something cool from your channel on it, then that's fine. But again, guys like me, like everyday Joes, how do we do this? So how to promote your NFT, leverage your following and shout it out on social media, post teasers to build hype, create a countdown, make it discoverable, make it easy to find, communicate with fans. It's likely some community. Okay, so this part I've heard, I've watched, I've witnessed, where some guys will go and they'll create like a server, a Discord server, or they'll go on their channels and they'll post like stupid riddles that you have to solve in order to create hype about this NFT thing that they're going to release, I guess. So I don't know, this part of it, kind of coming from my background as a financial advisor, that just screams like pump and dump. Like you build up hype to something and then it launches and then you're like, good, now I'm done. That's it. So the hype was fake. The launch was like kind of fake, and the value is like fake. But I guess value is perceived by whatever people will pay for something. So if you can hype up something enough, then people buy it, then that's fine. Anyway, now you're up to speed on NFTs. I don't know. I'm still a little bit confused as to how an average Joe can make these work. Let me know in the comments what you think. I know there's guys who watch some of my videos that are getting into this or into this pretty deep. So if you're an NFT guy or gal, let me know. Like, how in the heck does the average Joe make money launching an NFT? Because in my mind, no, I don't think it's going to work very well unless you can do that part where you have like a following and then you create some hype and then you create like a deadline and a release date and get people talking about it. But if you can't do that part, I can't see it being worth anything. So from a collectible point of view, yeah, absolutely. If you're like a celebrity, celebrities could do this all day long, but average Joes, I just don't get it. So I think the average Joe road, to me, in my mind, is like buying the collectible from the celebrity and then hoping it goes up in value. So kind of like Pokemon cards or baseball cards or basketball cards or hockey cards or whatever. Like you buy those and with the hopes that you'll find like a rookie card of somebody, say like Scotty Barnes rookie card, and then in 20 years you've got his rookie card, and then you can sell that for like 10 grand. Is that what NFTs are? Are they like online trading cards? In my mind, that's what I'm picturing as the average Joe, because I know average Joes are not going to be able to launch these and make any money. Okay, so check access. Sure, NFT. So you've been accepted into the beta program. Submit your listing request and we'll email you to confirm. We received it. We'll aim to process at least all requests within 3 to 5 business days of submission. Okay. Well, still, like, yeah, I can create one, but then what? Then I think there's more to this than just uploading a file to this system in this case and trying to get it sold and make money on the sale, like, and then the resale. My brain is very fuzzy with this, so I'm not saying it's a bad thing. I'm not saying it's a good thing. I'm not saying it's the next thing. I don't know what it is at this point. I think I see potential, but I'm a little fuzzy on the exact step-by-step ways that this can be monetized. So I know that there are a ton of guys who are further ahead of me on this journey. So let me know in the comments how average shows can make money selling an NFT. I kind of understand how they can make money investing in the NFT, but I want to know about the selling side, so creating an NFT. So if you created one, let me know what you did in the comments, because I'm interested to hear your journey and what you did. And this is a path that, like, it's kind of related, because I like that part where they said, if you can sell merch up here, you can sell an NFT. Like, if you can sell merch, you can sell NFTs. Yes and no. Like, based on what I've read and what I've researched so far, I don't necessarily agree with that statement. So let's discuss it in the comments. Let me know what you think. And has anybody used this from them? If not, how have you been launching your NFTs? Let me know. And I'm just curious because, like I said, I'm getting into this more and more. And it seems like there's a lot of opportunity, and that's what I like to see. So let me know in the comments. Have a great day. And if you want more content on NFTs and that sort of thing, let me know. Maybe I can document my journey with it too, just so we can kind of go through this all together. Anyway, not giving up my main business at all. I like print on demand, but mint on demand sounded pretty cool too. So anyway, have a great day. We will talk to you soon, and we'll see you in the next video.